If you want to create composite images in Photoshop, if you're a hobbyist and you want to improve your craft, or if you want to bring your photography to a professional level, the Everything Photoshop Masterclass will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to get your start as an expert level photographer. Photoshop is the #1 most important tool that you can master as a photographer because it is designed to allow you to create whatever you can possibly imagine in your mind. I know this because I have been using Photoshop for over 10 years, and I'm an Adobe certified expert in Photoshop. My passion for photography and my experience in Photoshop have allowed me to create this masterclass to get you up to speed, even if you've never opened the program before. The Everything Photoshop Masterclass has 68 lectures and 11 hours of in-depth instruction. We're going to cover everything Photoshop has to offer for photo editing. We'll start by learning the interface of the program and each of its tools. Through several different projects, I'll teach you the best ways to plan, shoot, and edit composite images within Photoshop. From simple adjustment layers to complex layer masks to advanced skin retouching techniques. You'll know exactly what to do to make your work stand out and look exactly how you want it to. You'll even learn how to cut out the most complex and dreaded elements from a photo, like hair. You'll be able to do this beautifully and seamlessly with no sweat by the end of the course. My name is Gibson Smith, and like I said earlier, I'm a 2018 Adobe certified expert in Photoshop. I've worked with Photoshop in the professional world of marketing and as a fine art photographer. Because I've been using the program for over 10 years, I've been able to watch it evolve and grow. So I have a very deep understanding of Photoshop's many different features and tools, and I cannot wait to share everything I know with you. My main goal as your instructor is to give you the skills to create professional level work, and I'll walk with you through every step of the process. I offer fully responsive support, and I'm very easy to reach, so you'll never feel like you're going through this alone. You'll also gain access to an exclusive Facebook group where you can post, discuss, and get feedback on your work. I believe in this course so much that I offer a 100% money-back guarantee for 30 days, no questions asked. So are you ready to create professional level photography? Join the course to get started in Photoshop right now.